day is all about motivating kids. We want them to get into science, technology, to investigate, to do things we can't do at school. So being a primary school, we're very limited on the science we can do. So coming to a place like Griffith, where they've got all the gear, they've got all the rooms set up, we're working with the local high schools, so it's a good motivator to go to high schools, but they get a hands-on experience we can't give them at school. So we want them to go back to school and go, yeah, I want to be a scientist.
Today's event, Cutting Edge for Kids, is getting kids more interested in science, particularly starting from their primary school years. Today we're hoping to inspire the kids to come along to pursue a future of STEM. As our society is becoming rapidly more STEM dependent, it is incredibly important for us to inspire the future leaders who have more of a STEM-based knowledge. STEM, I just find it incredibly interesting. All the different kinds of sciences give you a different kind of lens to view the world.
Behind me, we are making the Rube Golden Spielberg machines to teach kids all about momentum and energy transfer. So today we're trying to get the kids to learn more about how energy affects us and in day-to-day life how much there is actual energy transfers.
Hello, my name is Alan Way from Southall State High School, and today I brought 6 of my STEAMians to host 2 workshops. One is Spaghetti Challenge and the other one is Dash and Dot Robotic Challenge. And I love seeing the kids able to learn programming and learning how to challenge themselves through construction and problem solving. I enjoy seeing kids really finding their ways around, learning how things work. I enjoy seeing that moment when they go, that's really interesting. That is the highlight of the day.